Setting up Bell Wi-Fi ports. In today's video, you are going to learn how to set up Bell Wi-Fi ports. The process is very simple, just watch the video till the end. Make sure your Bell Home Up modem is powered on and connected to the internet. Then plug your Bell Wi-Fi port into a wall outlet in the same room as your modem. Do not use a power bar or extension cord. Wait for the LED light to start blinking. This means it's ready to connect. Now open the Bell Wi-Fi application on your smartphone and log in with your Bell credentials. Tap Add a Wi-Fi port and follow the on-screen instructions. The app will confirm when the port is successfully linked to your network. After setting up, move the pad to an area where you need better coverage. Make sure it stays within range of your modem or another port. That's how to set up Bell Wi-Fi ports. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.